Welcome to Wheeler Detailers. My name is Martin and in this video we're gonna do some serious cleaning of these wheel arches behind me. Last year I started this project with the Nissan GT-R behind me. I purchased the car with a broken gearbox, with some damages, and I wanted to completely bring it back to new in OEM condition. We already did quite some work, so we fixed the gearbox for starters. We worked on repainting of the side skirts, the diffusers and the front bumper, as well as we realigned the whole front end so the panel gaps are everywhere even now. The detailing part started in last week's video, where we ceramic coated the wheels of the GT-R behind me. Now that the wheels are off, I think it's a good time to also do a professional cleaning of the wheel arches behind. So let's see what's up. Then I'm gonna use D Con Orange Degreaser 1 to 10 diluted. Combination first with a hard brush, the D Con Nifty Brush. Use a little bit of orange degreaser in the bristle prepared, and with that I want to loosen all the online sand and dirt that I can find by scrubbing the plastic. I don't want to make it too wet yet. First want to get rid of the most online sand and debris when it's dry. So now I'm going to use my D Con exterior brushes and my orange degreaser 1 to 10 diluted. And the exterior brushes are softer than the Nifty brushes. So I'll scrub it over my Mitt Slide in my rinsing bucket. Let's also brush the brake calipers. Make sure to brush all the gaps and crevices. We can immediately see how brown all the foam is getting, so that means that all that dirt and sand is losing. And since I'm not in the wash bay now, I cannot use the pressure washer, so I need to improvise a little bit. Push the lever for rinsing. Make sure when you do this, you've got some cardboard or some other stuff under the car, so the floor doesn't get soaked and dirty. It works quite okay. So for removing also tar deposits, like we see for example here, but there are many more, we have our glue and label remover that's also excellent on tar. Spray it on and then let it work in for 60 seconds. Agitate it with a brush. A PPF steamer. I want a little bit more warmth. So give it a dry. Give it a finishing touch. Give your mat clean and protect. So, how to clean a wheel arch? As you could have seen, it were quite some steps. We started with the brushing away with the Nifty brush all the dried sand particles. So make sure all the dry sand and mud and grass parts are out before we start. Then we brushed often with our D Con exterior brushes in combination with the D Con Orange Degreaser in the IK bottle, 1 to 10 diluted. I think we did it 2 times to really make sure everything was clean. After the orange degreaser, we used the glue, tar and label remover to make sure all the tar deposits were gone from the, I don't know, the draagarmen. We will figure out the English word. Then we rinsed it with the IK pump sprayer, and also we rinsed it with steam because the warmth of the steam just worked a little bit better to get away all those black tar deposits. And then after we rinsed it again with the IK multi sprayer, and then we dried it with the Sidekick Air Force Blaster. And then we applied the D Con interior mud. Don't let you be fooled by the name, because in this case it works wonders on the exterior as well. So we sprayed it into the D Con exterior brush, the unused one, and then we make sure we touched everything for that dry to the touch and dark finish in this wheel arch. And then yeah, again we wiped it down with a microfiber worker's towel, and this is the end result. So I hope you like what you see. This is quite some job. Even if I have all my products and tools here around me, this is easily 1 to 1.5 hours per wheel arch. So if you want to do this for your customers, and you can actually also do this, for example, already in the washing bay where you have a lift, this will go much faster. I had to improvise a little bit because I do it here in the showroom, and my wheels are upstairs and not under the car, so it's the car cannot go anywhere. So this is why I chose to do it like on this alternative method. But I hope it gives you some guidelines. It answers some questions for you on where to start, what can you actually do with cleaning, what products do you need to use for grease and for tar deposits, and yeah, make sure life as a detailer a little bit more easier. Hope you like this video. Next to the wheel arches, you may be also interested into wheel cleaning. You might want to click on the pop-up banner to check that video as well. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you guys and girls in the next video. Bye bye.